Introducing MagPac, a revolutionary bag series with multi-purpose magnetic organizers that allows you to change the inner compartments to your specific packing requirement. The snap-on magnetic organizing modules can be rearranged and used across different bags to achieve superb tidiness in seconds, so you can be more efficient and productive. The magnetic organizers with a wide range of designs of pockets, bands, and slots are optimized to save space and keep things in place for almost all scenarios. Stack the organizers in the bags and the bags in your luggage. You will then have the most effortless and fast packing experience you have ever had without having any loose items in your bag. Everything will be easily accessible at a glance to keep your time in transit smooth and sorted. Whether for a daily commute, a short getaway, or a long vacation, LHiDS bags got your back. LHiDS MagPac. Redefine the way you pack.